Right then, rounding and estimation. Okay, for D grade material, this is the sort of question you'll be given for an estimating question. The idea is that you'd be able to do this with a calculator, but if you didn't have a calculator, you'd have to be able to do it in your head, which means you need to make the numbers simple. Okay, in this case, we're talking about this would be approximately equal to, okay, your £21, well, your 21.89 is going to be 20, and your 28.4 is closest to the simple number 30, and that's going to be divided by not 9.8, but in this case divided by 10. Okay, at this point we should be able to do this one on our heads now. So this is going to be equal to 20 times 30 is 600 divided by 10, and that's going to equal 60. Okay, that's an estimated answer. The actual answer, if you were to put it into the calculator, it would be equal to 63.43632,653. So the difference between these two is an accuracy of less than 10%. Okay, you're fairly close to your answer when you get 60, and that's the whole point in estimating. That's your D grade material. If you wanted to increase it to C grade, then they'll expect you to understand not divided by 9.8, but being able to estimate perhaps divided by 0.47, let's say. Okay, same process here. You've got your 21.89 becomes 20, that's your simple number. Your 28.4 becomes 30, same as. This time your 0.47, now the closest number that's to, which is simple, is not 1 and it's not 0, okay, because you're changing the number by quite a large proportion there, but it's actually 0.5. Okay, if you divide by 0.5, then effectively you're finding how many halves are in your number, so you'd be doubling it, wouldn't you? Okay, so in this case that's going to be 600 divided by a half, or 0.5 in this case, and if you divide 600 into halves, you're going to end up with a number of 1200. Okay, if you want to know what the exact answer is, then use a calculator to work it out.